Dr. Ibrahim Bagwa umwanya ogu guri kujanjabirwamu abantu abari kubi munonga gwija kweraho aho kutendezaho abantu ababiri nibohereza omu irwariro rikuru rya Murago hamwe na Kirudu okubajanjaba barabagira ngu kwombeka omwanya ogu kwizira omu bwire buhikire ahabw'okuba omwanya ogu gwa intensive care unit gwija kuba nikweraho abantu oguruga omu district 11 zirimu Kiboga, Tankwanzi, Hoima, Kagadi, Kakumiro, Kibale, Hoima City, Kikube, Masindi, Ndongo hamwe na Burisa.
So the region needed an ICU and government responded. We have an ICU here constructed for the region at large, much as it is situated at Hoima Regional Hospital. So the very sick patients who needed dialysis, who were being referred to Kirudu, are going to be handled here. Those patients who needed neurosurgery, you've had an accident and there's a clot in your brain, instead of now sending you to Mulago, we are going to be handling them here, Hoima Regional Hospital, and all those sophisticated services that you think of. Very soon, we have a plan implement cardiac surgery.
Muringo ngogumwe Badru Mugabi RCC w'ururembo rwa Hoima ashoborera ngo buhereza nkobu nibwija kweraho munonga ukongera amani omubyamagara umutange cya Bunyoro ati uko kwihanangirizo pati n'umurimo gwo gukora umwanya ogu gukora ombwire baragana.
Government has set a deadline for Excel on this site in Hoima City to make sure that by 30th September all construction works are complete and the building is handed over for installation and operationalization. Our government has invested 8.4 billion shillings to have this ICU and HDU constructed under UPREP project.
Karimu Badru wa company ya kwatira umurimo ogwo kombeka omwanya ogu ya Excel Construction Company yashoborera ngo bwahati mu rwego rwo kombeka gwahitira habuteka nkaga harigana.
We are on schedule currently, the progress is at 60%.
RCC Mugabi takomeraho irwariro ryonka agumizemu yarambura aho barikombeka aho kubika eshagama umwanya gwa Kasingo aho government yatera obuhumbi bubiri hamwe na miliyoni 9 z'esente za Uganda.
Obuzibu tubaire nabo mu region bubaire bw'omusahi nosanga nti omusahi gukusorozebwa mu districts za Bunyoro kyonka baina gutwara mu National Blood Bank kuli na Kasero kuguterekereza nibo babugabira abantu kandi obuhikoko ebizibu bibayo bingi muno abo kwa kwetaga omusahi bali bayingi so omusahi kandi to abagugabire nti watu tayina gukumara so government kagarukamo muranga guno yatekaho sente obuhumbi bubiri ne miliyoni 9 kuranti tukombeka a regional blood bank.
Mugabi ashoborera ngo umwanya ogu ngwija kweraho munonga okutendeza hibura ryeshagama umutange cya Bunyoro
tugena kuba ntusoroza omusahi gwaitu nibagukebera kurunga muno nibaguterekereza kandi nibakora nebindi ebirunga ebindi ebyo omusahi rundi blood products hatiki kumanyisa nti omusahi tigugena kuba kizibu mu Bunyoro kandi na kubuseera no kugugaba byona bigena kwa nibihoera hano so kigena kwa nikiongeraho empereze nungi hamuna obuherezo burungi mu byebyo bomezi
urigirira Dr. Ibrahim Bagwa bintu kebin bija kwera hwirwarire rikuru rya Hoima Regional Referral Hospital ukhereza obuhereza oburi hamutindo guhikire
to the entire region. This is a hope that we are going to improve the services when it comes to blood products and their availability. Availability of blood products is one of the key quality standards of the services we offer.
Bakuraga gasha kwa gada saba aba Sky TV agenshonga murembo rwa Hoima.